Hey,
How you doing?
good.
Hey guys, welcome to the module on viruses and worms. I'm Ammon Weesey.
And my name is Jeff Hansen, and Emma, we got a lot of material to cover today, so why don't we get started?
Let's do it.
All right.
You know, a computer virus is a kind of malware, and it's going to try to execute and replicate itself on some kind of infected host, your computer, your laptop, mobile device. Viruses usually target data files or executables. Now, some of them are going to target boot sectors. Various intentions are set to be harmful most of the time. They're going to delete and encrypt data, damage the operating system, and sometimes the hardware itself. And they can steal information.
That's right.
Now, viruses have special capabilities that are really different types of viruses use a specific technique to hide from our antivirus software. Now, we call it the stealth technique.
That's right. It's very stealthy.
It is.
Likes to hide. All right, so Ammon, as you know, viruses try not to corrupt your legitimate application or data because they don't want to be suspected. Absolutely right. They don't want you to know that the infection is there. The virus code, when infecting a program, inserts itself at the beginning of legitimate program code. So when the user executes that program, he or she is actually running the virus code, unbeknownst to them, right? Mm-hmm. So now, depending on the virus technique, it might keep running until the program is terminated, or it will eventually give control back to the legitimate program after it executes its evil successfully, right? But wait. That's not all, right? When the virus executes, it has to replicate itself. Viruses do that, right? Yep. It replicates itself, infecting another file or program, and that's when the real trouble starts.
That's right. And we conclude that viruses need to be triggered, unlike other malware. For example, Trojans, viruses are usually triggered when certain conditions are met. As an example, we can have the virus set to run on a specific date, say 2012, December 12th, 2014, whatever. Yeah. Maybe at 12 midnight, Now, when that specific date and time arrives, the code will run. Or when a certain application, for example, Notepad is run, it's going to be executed. The virus will be too.
That's right.
So many conditions could be used and limited only by what the hacker can think of.